What is the best Juvederm for lips? Juvederm is actually a brand of soft tissue filler. It's made by Allergan, and there are a lot of different kinds of Juvederm. So there's Volbella, that is the thinnest and finest, Ultra, Ultra Plus, Velour, and Voluma, going from thinnest and finest to the thickest. So they all have different uses that you can put in different places and work better in different places on the face. The best Juvederm for lips is Volbella and Ultra. After applying numbing cream to make you more comfortable, I use an ultra-fine needle to inject the lips with the gel, and it's clear. It's about the consistency of toothpaste. It contains lidocaine, so as you inject, it gets more and more comfortable. And you may wonder the difference between the two products. The biggest variance is that Volbella works better in the vertical lip lines, and it gives you a little bit of plumping of the lips because it is so thin and so fine. It is more subtle, whereas Ultra provides more plumping. It's a little bit thicker and it gives you a little bit more volume. And the filler of choice depends on each individual patient, what you're doing and what you're going for. The shape of the lips, the existing fullness, age, and desired look are all factors that go into the treatment plan. A combination of both fillers are an option as well to provide perfect balance, smoothness, and plumpness. During our initial consultation, I will always discuss all options to help patients make an informed decision. The best part of lip fillers is that when properly placed, they can take years off a patient's look in minutes. What are the different kinds of Juvederm? Juvederm offers 5 different products that include Juvederm Ultra, Ultra Plus, Voluma, Velour, and Volbella. Each are perfect for certain areas of the face and specific concerns. As mentioned above, Volbella and Ultra are great for filling the lips, but they also can fill in the lines such as the nasolabial folds, while Voluma is best for bigger areas that you need more volume and more lift, like the cheeks and the chin. The reason for this is that the consistency of each filler is different. The thicker, firmer fillers are best for adding more volume, while the thinner fillers can fill in the tiniest lines without being detected under the skin. The most important part of my job is to make sure that you get a natural result that doesn't look like you've had anything done. What is the cost of Juvederm lip injections? The cost of Juvederm lip injections varies depending on which filler is used, as well as the patient's desired lip size in comparison to the size that they already have. The product is purchased by syringe, and the number of syringes needed will be determined at your consultation, giving you a choice on how to proceed. The average cost of Juvederm lip fillers in Houston is anywhere from $400 to $1,200. How long does Juvederm last in the lips? Juvederm lasts anywhere from 6 months to up to 2 years if you use Voluma, the longest lasting and providing the most plumpness. However, that one is quite firm and you really do feel it. Using the products that work best in the lips, such as Volbella or Ultra, that is about 6 months. While Volbella might not last as long as Voluma, it is the better choice for those wishing to erase lines and not wanting too much volume. The most important choice in filler is not always how long it lasts, but which filler accomplishes your goals. There are ways to make filler last longer. They include staying out of the sun, using sunscreen, and not overdoing cardio exercises, because just like fat, fillers can be burned off. Things that can increase inflammation in your body, like unhealthy food or stress, can also make it go away faster. Stress hormones can create a breakdown of filler, drastically diminishing the length of time that your filler lasts. Once swelling goes down, try to stay away from ice, such as drinking icy water or sucking on ice cubes or ice pops. Do I need a plastic surgeon near me? If you're in the Houston area and are considering Juvederm for the lips, we can help. Give us a call and come on in. As always, the best results are achieved when you have a board-certified facial plastic surgeon doing the procedure. I've had patients fly in from all over the country to have me perform their cosmetic procedures. Please reach out by contacting my office and learn how I can help you. Have questions and sincerely love to hear from you. Call or email anytime. Thanks for watching.